Over the centuries, the Turkmen people developed various types of art along with different directions and improved song and music art. Today, 72 musical instruments of Turkmen people have been revived. The combination of the sound of musical instruments, the birth of amazing harmony, contributes to the appearance of a beautiful melody. A musical instrument, Dutar, which with its two strings can convey the splendor of the world's musical works, does not lose its significance to this day. Enjoying listening to music is a centuries-old tradition of Turkmen people, which, after years, has been successfully and passed to our days. Hello dear TV viewers, the creative team of the Turkmenistan TV channel decided to prepare a program dedicated to the Turkmen national craft, the creation of the Dutar musical instrument. The guest of our program, Durdiyev, is the honored bakhshi of Turkmenistan, the head of the folk music ensemble of the cultural and business center of oil and gas complex of Turkmenistan. Dowladağa, we're glad to see you in our program. Dowladağa, please tell our viewers about how you came into this art, about the beginning of their creative activity.
Dowladağa gepçi bakhşılık sunatına gelişiňiz, başlaşyňyz barada teletomaşaçylarymyza gurrunlar aýsaňyz.
Bakhşılık sunatam şey.
As with everyone with a fascination with art of the bakhshi mainly begins with youth. Every child and childhood dreams of mastering one of the professions. Someone wants to play percussion instrument, someone wants to play the dutar, and someone likes some other instrument. So in this way, from childhood, I was interested in song and music. I wanted to play melodies on a musical instrument. Back in grades 7th, 8th, I began to learn how to create a musical instrument, dutar. My first mentor was Melever Amanov. During the summer holidays, I came to my mentor and learned to create a musical instrument, dutar. When I entered the bakhshi art department of the special music school named after Mahtumuli Qarliyev of the Dashog'ul Vilayat, I myself could create a musical instrument, and after that I received the blessing of my mentor. Dutar, which is now in my hands, is my first musical instrument. This dutar is still with me in all festive celebrations. The musical instrument dutar is made of mulberry wood. When choosing wood for making a dutar, first you need to know the age of the tree, the thickness of its trunk. In a word, if you are a master, then you yourself know which one you can make a dutar from. There is a rule on how to cut a tree. A mulberry tree is cut in the autumn, but you can also cut the mulberry tree in the early spring until the earth warms up with heat. If we make a dutar from a tree that has begun to dissolve leaves, then the dutar loses its shape. Cutting the mulberry tree into parts stems, they are buried underground. During this time, you can make the body of the dutar, but you do not have the time to immediately make all the details of the tool. We bury parts of wood underground and so that the wood does not dry out in air, so that the rays of the sun do not fall on it. To create 4 cases, you need to divide a large mulberry tree into parts. It is cut into pieces of 40 centimeters or 50 centimeters. This is the height of the body of the dutar. This is the main part of the tool, that is its back side, but the open part is already its outer side. There were always ways to properly hold the dutar in hand. It must be left in the room in the shade for 1 or 1.5 months. If you leave it in the sun and do not store it in the room, then its shape will be lost. This is in case of the dutar, and from the remaining wood we create a qapak cover. Firing the thunder, this lid becomes black. It is called qara qapak. Basically, this part of the tool is yellow. The yellow qapak not yet a finished part of the instrument, but this is the part that is fired in thunder already finished, but the yellow part it is not ready yet. In order to dry this part of the tool, it takes a year or year-and-a-half, and only after that this cover can be installed on the main body of the instrument. If this lid is not dried and not burned in a thunder, then this part of the tool will crack and divide into parts. Musical instrument dutar mainly consists of 3 parts. Here is the first part, this is its body. 2. The part is the neck of the instrument. The third part is the cover. If you combine all these 3 parts, you get a dutar. When we noted that the body of the dutar is made from mulberry, the cover of the dutar is also created from the mulberry tree. Mentors tried to create a tool, a dutar, from the wood of the other trees, but such an intrusion doesn't sound as good as this dutar created from a mulberry tree. Thus, we said that the instrument consists of three parts. One of the parts is the instrument bar. Vulture of the instrument is made of wood of apricot tree. Compared to the mulberry tree, apricot wood is much denser and stronger. The wood of this tree can shrink in the summer and expand in the winter. There are also rules for drying this wood. This wood does not completely dry out. It dries only after 2-3 years. There are threads that drive into the neck of the instrument. These threads are called kakma perde. Frets dutar are made of steel. This is the kind that the dutar acquires when its lid is installed. This is in case this is the neck and this is the cover of the dutar. After establishing frets, it is necessary to establish the splitting of the dutar. Pieces of the dutar are created for the aluminium or from brass. They are cast in the special forms. Here the pegs created from aluminium. Our ancestors chopped manually, created from steel. With the development of technology, Mendes began to create this form of pegs. We install spikes at a distance of 5 centimeters. This is how we create spills. But this part is called buyuruz. Our ancestors made a part called buyuruz from mountains goat's horn.
Bu da kapak. Perden koyamazdan sonra kulak koymalı oluyor. Dutarın kulakları yürüte ve galipleri arkalı. Otta alüminyum ya latundan uyuluyor. Ne alüminyum edilen kulak atavalarımız bunu öngör çiğ alacak katı polat demirden yasap özleri ettiler elde. İyi gelip. Son bunu dövrün teknikan ösme bilen nasıl halifeler fikirlenip şular galip yasap uyulup özümüz yasayas arası 5 santimetreden koyup kulağı koyuyoruz. Ona kulak koymak düzgünü şu oluyor. Ha şuna boynuzu deyip adlandırılıyor. Boynuzu bunu atabalarımız dağ koçunun çakından yasalıptırlar.
And now this part is made of plastic, because plastic is a bit softer than bone, and if you make it of bone, then it will look like on this dutar. This piece is called buyuruz, is made of bone and is particularly dense. We are currently starting to create this plastic tool part. The main responsibility of this part is to fit the strings of the dutar. The dutar has 2 strings, 2 tuners, 14 frets of steel, another 13 frets mounted on the neck to extract sound. The dutar has a record called eşek. It is used to raise strings without touching other strings. Also, at the top, near the pegs of the dutar, there is a record called yokorki eşek. The same part is also installed in the upper part. Our ancestors in ancient times called this part of the tool eşek arka. We still call these details the ancient names. This is how the made dutar sounds. When the dutar is ready, it is of 2 kinds. A dutar called bakhshi makes strong sounds. A dutar called thad dutar produces a relatively finer sound. How does it happen? The sound of the dutar depends on the thinness of the lid. If the lid is thin, the sound of the dutar will be rougher, and if the lid of the dutar is made of denser wood, then it will be sound softer. Such a dutar is called thad dutar. Nur Muhammad, this is how the dutar made. Holes are created on the tool cover. There must be 2 special holes on the dutar.
O ne edip oluyor? Haçan da kapak sayla koyunmuzda yuk koluğuna bağlı oluyor. Yine şunu hat yuk koysan pöngürde uğrak dutar çıkıyor. Şunu aç kalınrak koysan yem fazla dutar emele geliyor. Yine Nur Muhammed dutara şeyle yasalıyor.
Döwleda şu dutarın yasalışı var da ähli guruşlar var da aýtdyňyz. Şu kapağın yüzündeki deşecekler ne için koyuldu döwleda?
Şu
da aýtyp berýäňiz.
kapağın yüzünde doğru belledin. Şu kapağın yüzündeki deşecekler yürüte 2 sancak deşigi oluyor. Bunlar kağıdın içinin havasını
They are created so that air enters the body of the dutar. There are special ways to create them. These holes are called cover flowers. Each master creates his own cover flowers. These holes are created in various ways. Each master creates them in a different way. From these holes, people, musicians, bakhshi can find out which master created this instrument. These holes are all serves as a sound controllers.
Yem tayar olup çıkandan sonra şu dutarın gülüne seyrediyorum. Adamlar sazandalar, bağışlar, haysız sudan çıkandı bilip bilirler. Şu değişikler sesi sağlayıcı onun hizmet ediyor.
Dutar sounds different without them, and after creating the holes, the instrument sounds more beautiful. Creating a dutar is a very subtle art. This kind of art can be learned by learning for many years from experienced mentors.
Bunu ne açıların devamında Bir del eýsem bir näçe halipalaryň elinde sapa galyp öwrenseň ussat bolup ýetişmegine ulu kömek bolup durýar.
Döwlet ağa siz şu
Döwlet ağa, you are bakhshi and the master of creating the dutar. In order to become a bakhshi, you must definitely able to create dutars.
Dutar ýatamagy başarmalymy?
Dutar tazuraryny
Bakhshi who gladly takes the dutar in his hands and plays melodies on it must be able to at least tune his strings and must be able to create a piece called eşek. The people's bakhshi of Turkmenistan, Hoca Murat Öraev, is my mentor. He made dutars. He himself was a bakhshi, but in his free time he created dutars. Tools created by his hand are an adornment of many houses. These instruments sound beautifully in the hands of numerous bakhshi musicians. Esteemed President, we have opened the path of mentorship for us. The cares of the esteemed President in the country created wide opportunities for workers in the field of culture and art. In the country, under the cares of the esteemed President, are held television competitions, Yanglan Diyarım. In addition, alternative competitions are held. Its winners are awarded gifts by the esteemed President. The cares of the esteemed President during the week celebrated the holiday of the cultural and art workers of the country always testifies to the respectful attitude of the esteemed President to workers in the field of culture and art. We want to express our gratitude to the esteemed President for creating wide opportunities for our studies and works. I wish the esteemed President sound health, long life and great success in his activities.
Döwlet ağa şu dutaryň
Döwlet ağa, you told us a lot of interesting things about the process in creating dutar, about this ancient crafts, and now at the end of our program it would be nice of our perform a song. You are welcome.
Cennet gözlerin sana gelin derdi satın alayın ey. Kanım döktü cellat hey.
Döwlet ağa gepleşigine gatnaşyp beren täsirli görüň.
Döwlet ağa, thank you for taking part in our program. You told us a lot of interesting things. We wish you great success in your creative work. Dear compatriots, we are completing the program prepared by the Turkmens TV channel dedicated to the creation of the Turkmen national musical instrument, dutar and musical art. At the end of the program, we wish the esteemed President sound health. May all the noble initiatives aimed at the benefit of the people of Turkmenistan be crowned with great success.
Olmagyny tüýsüregimizden arzu edýäs.